Yes, so hello everyone. This is Ankit Raj, currently in third year integrated MSc at NICER, and in August I will go in fourth year. So yeah, NSEM is over, and currently I'm at IIT BHU campus for my internship. And lots of people ask about the um, how to prepare for the next examination. So yeah, so I will share the information what I feel about the nest examination difficulty level, or how can you prepare. So this is the nest website. You can search nest exam in your Chrome or any browser, and you can see the syllabus here. So there are four subjects, and in three subject you have to pass, like you have to score cut-off marks, and yeah, that's it. And you can attempt all four subject, and out of four, three best of three will be chosen for your merit list preparation. So yeah, this is it. And from here you can see the question paper, right? Yes. In 2023, number of questions 17, number of the question to be attempted 17, selected marks, these things you can read. And for correct marks there is 2.5 wrong, one will be detected. And I would suggest that um, avoid negative marking as much you can, because like it's not 4 versus 1, it's 2.5 versus 1. So you have to very careful when you mark the answers. So you can see the so now let's talk about the question. You can see according to the figure. So a caledogram representing the evolution of the some animals shown in the figure 1 to 4. And uh, you have to choose the correct statement. So you can see this is not a straightforward question which is asked in a NEET examination. So I think this figure is not in NCERT book also. Maybe it may changed, but according to me it's not in NCERT. So you have to read from somewhere else. What I preferred, so I have like prepared biology from the biomentors classes online. So there is a teacher called Gitan Singh Dhanawal. So he's a very good teacher. So you can um, get the you can see the lectures on the YouTube. They are costly free. They are completely free. So yes. So I just want to tell you that the questions are not straightforward. You have to know how to think. You have to um, uh, analyze things so that you can answer. Obviously, you have to know theory completely. Without complete knowledge of theory, I guess you can't be able to score much in next examination. So yes, theory अच्छे से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. And then you have to let's if you see the biology question, it's you have to think, and then you have to answer properly. There are three and a half hours, so you can um, you can like patiently see the question and try to answer, and avoid the negative marking. So many people think that the cutoff will be very high. It's not like that. Its cutoff will be very high because as you can see, the questions are not straightforward. So yeah, so that so you, try to uh, attempt the question which you know, because negative marks is one, and don't don't like care much about the cutoff marks. Whatever you know, and so whatever you know, just try to attempt according to that. Do not think that the cutoff will be very high, low, and all these things, because maybe the cutoff will be low or high. You don't know what are the level of the question, what other attempts felt about the question. So you just be honest and try to answer the question, and that's it. And this is for biology, and you can see in biology you have to think, like they are not straightforward question as asked in it. Maybe I am wrong, maybe, but according to me it's not a straightforward question. You can see from the next examination. For example, you can you can see these graphs are given, and I didn't see any question from the graphs on the or the figures like this. There are very less questions like in 8, you can see. So yes, now for chemistry portion, uh, chemistry is a bit simpler. So it's not very hard to score. If you have prepared for the NEET or J level, it's okay, it's completely okay. And as you can see, phosphoric acid, yes, phosphoric acid and pyrophosphoric acids are oxy acids of the phosphorus. The number of pOH bond in the phosphoric acid and the phosphoric acid respectively are. If you know the uh, if you know the structure of these compound, you can easily answer these question. So chemistry is easier. So try to get marks in chemistry. If your bio is not too good, so you can score marks in chemistry. According to my experience, what I gave in the 2021 examination, yeah, you can also see like the reaction is given, and you have to just think what will be the product. It's very straightforward question. So, and this is mathematics. uh, I don't know about mathematics, because I had not mathematics in the class 12th. So you can see the question that I think it's easy. The number of real roots of um, these things, um, you can you can whoever studied the 12th examination in graduation, you know there is a contour method with which you can tell the real roots or imaginary roots. So I can't comment on mathematics. You can see yourself or um, analyze yourself by seeing the question. And yes, physics. So yes, physics is uh, physics is also not very difficult, but it's yes, a bit what I felt, uh, it's a bit tougher than J mains, and lower than J advanced. Yeah. So your theory should be very clear. So as we can see, the first question: a thin spherical shell of R completely filled with the viscous fluid. is rotating about the vertical axis at a constant speed omega naught. Due to the leak at the bottom of the cell, fluid starts dropping steadily vertically from the cell, and the net change in angular velocity when the cell gets empty. So as you can see, I have not attempted the J advance, but I can see it's not level of up to the level of advance, but it's close to advance. What I can imagine, but it's definitely not the level of J Mans. So yeah, so you have to like if you have to solve at least HC Verma book. Otherwise, I don't think that you can score much in physics, as you can see in the question. So if you if you if you if you see the other question is a spherical comet having a mass ms and radius r is moving towards the planet of mass mp as shown in the figure. A separation distance is equal to experienced by dramatically opposite ends. You can read the question and see. According to my opinion, it's not J-Man's level question, but it's a bit higher than J-Man's. Your opinion or anyone's opinion can be differ from me, but I told what I think. So there could be there may be some easy questions also. Let's say consider Bohr model of hydrogen atom of radius ab. If the mass of the electron and that of the proton become twice present, then new Bohr radius will be. So as you can see here, um, this is not very hard question. If the mass will be uh, 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 like twice, then the new Bohr radius will be half of the initial radius. So as you can see, this is not very difficult question. So yes, so yes, even if you have prepared up to J-Mains level, and as you can see this question and it's very like famous question. Even it is asked in the your graduation level. This type of question, not exactly this question, but this type of question is also asked in your neither end semester or mid semester examination. So yes, yeah, that was all about next examination. So for biology, you what I felt that uh, you should like everyone only they read NCERT, but in my opinion NCERT is not enough. You have to go beyond NCERT, and as I suggested, biomentors classes online, you can study from them. And for chemistry, NCERT is enough, and for physics, you at least you should solve the HC Verma, and if you have solved the J-Mans level and SC Verma, and I don't think you have to solve J advanced question. J-Mans and SC Verma is fine according to me. Um, and my suggestion will be don't memorize anything. Try to like grasp how to like deal with the question, not just solve the type of question and you think that this is type of question, how to approach this type of question, how to approach this type of question. Any type of the question will be given. Maybe there will be new combinations of the data will be given there, and there you will stuck if you have solved the uh, definite number of types of the question. So you should know the concept. You just can't skip the concept and just do the questions. So yes, this was all about the preparation, what I could tell about you. And at the end, I will say that don't worry much about the cutoff marks, because it can vary year wise, because it's not a national level exam. It's a national level examination, but since the candidates are not very high, most of the students go to the like NEET or JEE Maths advanced things. So competition is not very high according to me. So don't think about like much about the cutoff marks, and you should not lose hope even if you doesn't selected in round 1, 2 or 3. uh, I got selected in a spot round, so it's very important that you have to constantly look at your email what you have registered in the next website. So yeah, that was all about me, and you should also definitely try to give IAT, which is ISA aptitude test. For me, what I felt, ISA aptitude test is uh, easier than next examination because it was mostly from the I would say the question was not difficult, too difficult. The question was like compared to the, you can, if you have only read NCRT, NCRT is enough for the IAT. So yeah, so you can see the difference by what I'm going to say, that I got selected in neither in sport round, and that was second sport round, but I got selected in IIT in third round itself. First was either Berhampur and then either Bhopal, and then I got selected in either Kolkata, which was my first preference for physics. So yes, so you can see that the for either aptitude test it was very easy for me, but for next, since the seat is only 257 and question was also a bit tough. So yeah, this was all I have to say, and try to score if you are a PCB guy. Try to score in chemistry and biology, because I know the for the PCB guy it's slightly tougher to to attempt to physics questions. So you can focus on the bio and chemistry. And for math guy, yes, chemistry is, yeah, very easy. Whoever appeared for the J exams and J advanced examinations, the chemistry is very easy. Yes, that is all about it. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.